Hello friends, today we'll see few objectives on this course Fundamentals of Agricultural Extension Education which were usually asked during your semester end examination, and these objectives are important from point of view of your entrance examinations, that is MCAER or ICAR exams, and also which may be helpful for you in the agricultural competitive examinations. The first objective is that the word extension is derived from the Latin language. Second, that education is the process of bringing desirable changes into the behavior of human beings. Third objective, formal education is the highly institutionalized, chronologically graded and hierarchically structured type of education. Agricultural extension is example of non-formal education. Then the word extension is derived from the Latin roots. Ex means out and tensio means stretching. So completely the word extension means stretching out. The term extension education was first time used in USA in the year 1914. Extension work is democratic both in philosophy and principle. Philosophy is the pursuit of wisdom, a body of general principles or laws of a field of knowledge. The basic philosophy of extension education is to teach people how to think and not what to think. Non-formal type of education is learner-centered type education. The purpose of extension education is to change the attitude and practices of the people with whom the work is done. Panchayat Raj was introduced in India by Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Gram Sevak acts as a Secretary of Gram Panchayat. Extension work is democratic both in its philosophy and principles. Etawah pilot project was started by Albert Mayer in 1948. Community development program was started in the year 1952. The book entitled An Introduction to Extension Education is written by S.V. Supe. Institutional village linkage program was started in the year 1995. Cinema or television is the example of projected audio-visual aids. The word extension is derived from Latin root. Gurgaon project was organized by F.L. Brining. The word communication is also derived from Latin word known as communis. National Agricultural Technology Project was started in the year 1998. The High Yielding Variety Program was started in the year 1966-67. Cooperative movement was started in the year 1904. Jawahar Rozgar Yojana started in the year 1989. Planning is designing a course of action to achieve desired ends. Extension program is a statement of situation, objectives, problems and solutions. Evaluation is the process of determining the extent to which we have been able to attain our objectives. Related to this topic, all these three definitions has been asked in your final semester in exam. In the question, define the following. The term evaluation is a derivative of the Latin word valere, which means strength of. Training is the process of acquiring skills to perform a job better. Diffusion is the process where an innovation is communicated through certain channels over time among the members of society. Intensive Agricultural District Program was popularly known as Package Program. Objective is expression of the end towards which our efforts are directed. The National Extension Service was launched on 1953. SKD launched the new scheme called Mazdoor Manzil under the Nilokheri project. Evaluation is the process of judging the worth or value of a something. Need is a gap between what is and what ought to be. SMCRE model was advocated by Rogers and Shoemaker in the year 1971. The basic principle on which the method demonstration is based is learning by doing. In India, training and visit system was first introduced in the state Rajasthan in the year 1974. Integrated Rural Development Program was launched in the year 1978. Lab to Land program was launched on the occasion of Golden Jubilee celebration of ICAR service to the nation. Fidelity is the faithful performance of all the elements in the communication process. The first KVK was established in India at Pondicherry in the year 1974 under the Tamil Nadu Agricultural University. Now we'll see few match the pairs on this course. First, Marthandam. Marthandam project was launched by Dr. Spencer Hatch. Second, Etawah project. Etawah project was launched by Albert Mayer. Third, Nilokheri experiment. Nilokheri experiment was launched by SKD. Fourth, Shanti Niketan attempt. It was launched by Ravindranath Tagore. J.P. Liggins is the father of extension education. Result demonstration is based on the principle seeing is believing. Firkas is known as group of villages. High yielding variety program was responsible for green revolution in India. SGSY means Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarozgar Yojana was initiated on the 1st April 1999. Circular is a mass contact method. Well, these were the few important objectives related to this course. In the further coming lectures, I will bring a few important topics from point of view of your entrance examination, as well as more objectives related to this course and also all the remaining courses of extension education. Thank you. Have a nice day.